Hey, good morning. It's your breakfast time. Are you ready? Okay. This is your first bite. You have Grain and Grow cereals. Cereals for baby only. Because your pediatrician told us to feed you this to start you eating. Oh yeah, we will make you start eating. You like it? It's not sweet. You like it though. Yum yum. Oh. Ayos na, ayos. Here, face here. Para lang naman tong anak. Are you shy? Are you shy?